Amazon Flex blocks usually disappear because they were auto-removed due to timing issues, network glitches, app refresh errors, or another driver getting assigned to the same delivery route before the app updates. By the end, you'll know why your Amazon Flex block disappeared, how to check if it's still active in the system, and what steps can sometimes recover it or prevent it from happening again. Start with the most common situation. Amazon Flex blocks are not always permanently removed when they disappear from your screen. Sometimes the app simply fails to display them due to a sync delay between your phone and Amazon's servers. First thing to do is force close the app and reopen it. This triggers a fresh sync and can bring missing blocks back into your schedule view. If nothing changes, check your activity or schedule section inside the app. Even when a block disappears from the main screen, it can still show as active in your schedule history. Now look at the timing issue. Amazon Flex blocks can disappear if they were not confirmed fast enough. The system assigns blocks quickly, and if another driver completes confirmation first, your block gets removed automatically without a detailed alert. Next possible cause is app or network instability. If your connection drops even briefly while accepting a block, the confirmation may not register correctly. That can make the block vanish even though you thought it was accepted. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and restarting your phone helps clear this type of glitch. Now, check for another system issue. Amazon Flex occasionally updates route assignments in real time. If logistics change or a route is reassigned, the block can be removed from your schedule without warning. If the block is truly gone, there is usually no manual recovery option inside the app. Amazon does not typically restore missed or unconfirmed blocks once they are reassigned in the system. The only exception is when the block still appears in your activity log, but not on the main screen. In that case, logging out and back in can force the app to resync your schedule correctly. Now here's the key takeaway. Most missing Amazon Flex blocks are caused by sync delays, fast reassignment, or connection issues during confirmation. The app behavior makes it look like the block vanished, even when it was never fully confirmed or was already reassigned. Next step is simple. Force close the app, check your schedule tab, and restart your phone to force a full refresh before assuming the block is gone. If you want more Amazon Flex fixes explained clearly without confusion, subscribe for more quick guides that help you troubleshoot delivery app issues fast.